Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the volume of your laptop speaker on Windows 11. First, go to the bottom right corner and right-click on the sound icon, then click on Open Volume Mixer. Now, the first thing you need to check is your output device. Click on the drop-down and make sure the correct device is selected, for example, your laptop speakers. After that, you will see the volume slider. Make sure to set it to 100. Then scroll down to the Apps section and you will see volume controls for different apps. Make sure all the apps you are using have their volume set to 100%. Sometimes the system volume is high, but the app volumes are low, which causes low sound. You can boost it more using a free app. Open any browser and search for FX Sound. Click on the official website and then click on Download for Windows. If the download button doesn't work, scroll down and look for another download link. Download it for Windows and you will see the Setup.exe file downloading. Once it is downloaded, click on it to open the Setup wizard. After installing, open FX Sound, and when you launch it for the first time, select your correct speaker from the drop-down. Then go to the General section on the left side and select Volume Boost, and your volume will be increased. You can also adjust the sliders manually if you want more control over bass or loudness. Just make sure not to boost everything too much. And that's it. This is how you can increase your laptop speaker volume on Windows 11.